Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making yam porridge. So first of all, I had to boil my yam together with my eggs because I love eggs. So when the yam must have cooked and softened, I had to sieve out the water. Okay, then the next step is for me to place my pot on fire, allow it to get heated up, then added my red oil, which you can see, as you can see in this video. The next one is to add in my chopped onions. Then you turn it very well. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So the next one, I added some chopped pepper. I didn't use much pepper because my husband doesn't like pepper, so you can use as many quantity you like or you want. Okay, so I added pepper and I had to stir. I had to turn it very well. So the next one is to add in my chopped tomatoes, and you can use as many quantities as you want. Okay, because I have seen people that loves tomatoes very well, same with pepper, so you can add as many quantity as you want when preparing yours. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as I added my tomatoes, I had to turn it very well, then cover the pot so that it will cook. So as you can see, I had to turn it once again. You have to keep turning so that it won't, your pot or your sauce won't get burnt. And as you are turning, the ingredients or whatever it is you are using to prepare your meals, your spices and all that will mix into what you are cooking very well. So the next one, I added my salt. As you can see, salt to taste. There are some people that doesn't eat salt, so if you're one of them, you can as well leave it. So I just added salt and I had to turn it very well so that it will mix very well inside my sauce. So the next one, I only used one Maggi. So I had to add my Maggi inside, covered my pots. So I had to stir and mix them very well. I had to turn it very well so that at least the ingredients will mix inside my sauce very well. So this one is a blended crayfish together with ugiri. I had to blend them together because I needed this water in order to cook my kpomo and fish. So I had to blend the crayfish together with ugiri. So I just added it now, and I'm about to cover my pot. As you can see, I had to turn it very well also so that the ingredients will mix together. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well test it. If it is not okay, you can add more salt. So I just added curry and thyme inside. It's also optional, but me, I love to, whatever it is I'm cooking most times, I love adding my curry and thyme. So I just added my curry and thyme. I had to now add in my already pre-boiled kpomo and fish. Whenever I buy kpomo, I had to cook it so that it will soften, so that whenever I want to cook, I wouldn't have to start cooking it again. So it's already soft. The fish is already oven grilled fish that is in my fridge. So I had to now add it inside my pot, because that is what I want to use and prepare this yam porridge. So I added the kpomo and the fish inside my sauce. So as you can see, I am trying to mix them together so that the ingredients will simmer into the fish and kpomo. So the next one, I added my opaka. Some call it opaka. So I don't know the English name, sorry. So I added my opaka and mix them together. I had to turn. As you can see in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching my videos. So you have to allow it to cook. Then as it is cooking, you have to keep turning so that your pot won't get burnt. Okay, and so that the ingredients will mix together very well. So my vegetable is ready. Here I have scent leaf together with ugu, and that is what I'll be using to prepare this yam porridge. Scent leaf and ugu. You can as well use whatever it is you have: spinach, lettuce, water leaf, anyone is fine. But me, I prefer to use green vegetables and scent leaf, mixture of the two. So as you can see, I'm trying to see if the water can dry up a bit before I can now finally add in my vegetables. So I just added my vegetables. It's a mixture of green vegetables, akwukwo nri, and scent leaf, and nshom. That's what we call it in Igbo. Akwukwo nri and nshom. This green vegetable, it has Igbo people's own and Yoruba people's own. So when you go to markets, they will show you the two different types. So this one I am using to cook is Igbo people's own. I didn't even know that Yoruba people have their own green till the day I went to market, and the market woman was telling me which of them do I want. So I just love to use the Igbo people's own. I don't know the English name for the Yoruba people's own, but they are a bit similar. So I just added my vegetables. I am trying to turn it very well so that the ingredients will mix together. Remember, your vegetables, you are not supposed to cook it for a very long time. So that is why you have to make sure that your fish and your whatever protein you are using is already soft before you now add your vegetables. So I just added my vegetables, as you can see. And I'm trying to mix them very well. I also have already added my yam, which you can see in this video. So you have to mix it very well. Yes, as you can see, turn it very well. Turn it very well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And thanks for watching my videos. Mix them very well, okay? So that everything will mix together and it will give it a yummy, delicious taste. So I added more chopped pepper and some salt. I didn't capture the video of when I was adding the salt. It skipped my mind. So when preparing yours, always check the taste and add more salt to taste if it is not okay. So as you can see, my yam porridge is almost ready. It's giving. The yam is giving. So as you can see, stir it very well. You can cover your pot and allow it to, simmer very well into the yam and stir it, turn it very well. So my yam porridge is ready, as you can see in this video. It is so yummy, so delicious. So delicious. And I added more salt too to taste, which you can see in this video. So guys, my yam porridge is ready. Do you like yam porridge? Are you going to prepare this meal? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? So this is my husband. So this is my husband's lunch box, and this is my own food flask because I'll be going to work with it. I love to go to work with my homemade prepared meals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye. See you guys next time.